Do you guys see Princess right there? I'm gonna disturb her with my video, but I must do what needs to be done. Hi everyone. Oh, I wish I could show you, but Princess is laying on my lap now. I think I've disturbed her. She was behind me. Oh, look, you could see her. Oh, okay. You can't put your foot on the mouse pad, please. No. You need to either cooperate, you need to sit still, or I'm gonna kick you off. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Excuse my very laid back appearance today. I usually get dolled up for these videos, but I'm sick. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm battling something. How, Princess, you're clawing my leg. I'm battling the flu. I've been taking care of Dylan for a week now. I think it's like a week tomorrow. And 2 days ago, I woke up with a really sore throat and a cough. So I think I have contracted the illness. Well, anyway, hi. Welcome back. If you're not new here, welcome. If you've been here before, you know that I have expressed my hatred for tapestry crochet in the past. I've been very vocal about disliking tapestry crochet, specifically because of all the ends you have to weave in and just changing colors frequently. I'm not a fan, but I've come on here to change my opinion on tapestry crochet as a whole. This year I started tapestry crocheting and I learned that you can actually tapestry crochet and you don't have to hold the yarn as you crochet, which is the part I hated the most. You can drop the yarn and like pick it back up later, which is how I tapestry crochet, so I don't have all those ends to weave in, and I also don't have to hold the yarn underneath each stitch, which I did not like doing that. Princess is hanging out with us. Yeah, I did not like it, but I have recently discovered a love for tapestry crocheting, and all I've been doing the last like month has been tapestry crochet, so I'm kind of obsessed with it, maybe just a little bit. So that is why we are going to be doing 50 tapestry crochet ideas today. As always, everything I'm showing you is going to be linked in the description box below in the order that I showed to you. A link to a free tapestry grid. None of these are paid. They're all free grids, so they'll be linked down where I got them in the description. If any of these are yours and you don't want them in this video, DM me over on Instagram or shoot me a quick email and I will take them out. Now, before we get into it, hit the subscribe button if you've been watching me for a while and you're not subscribed. I don't know why that is. So you should hit that subscribe button. But after you do that, we can get into this video. Did I say 50? I meant 60. We have more than 60. So we have 60 plus tapestry crochet ideas in this video. I've got a little bit of everything. I have some smaller scale ones that are like 20 by 20 stitches. I have some larger scale ones that are like 100 by 100 stitches. So depending on how big a project you want, I have it for you. But I basically just went and found some really cute ones that either I want to do or I think you guys might like as my subscribers and compiled them in this video. So let's go through them. And they're all grids, so they're free, and you can either screenshot the grid or you can go directly to the link in the description for like a better quality grid picture. And let's jump into it. So the first one I have for you is this Princess, I'm so sorry. She keeps interrupting. So the first one I have for you is this cat Christmas scene, like these two little cats looking out the window during Christmas. So cute. I have this more complicated full moon tapestry grid, which is on my list. I'll tell you which ones I'm planning on doing as we go through this, and this is definitely one of them. Also, this little fancy frog, which I'm pretty sure he's already made an appearance in my videos previously, so he definitely needed to be a part of this tapestry grid crochet idea video. I also have this tiger. I love the color contrast in this one. This one is a dragonfly, like a dragonfly in like a stained glass kind of window style, which I love it. And then we have this teddy bear collection. This one reminds me of like a baby shower or like a nursery if you're having a little baby boy or even a baby girl. Like, they're just so cute. I love it. Now this next one is the only paid one in this entire video, and that is because it is mine. It's my pattern up on my shop. I'll link that down below as well, but it's a tapestry crochet pattern for a Coraline inspired scarf. I got this idea because I'm kind of on like a weird Coraline kick right now when it comes to my my pattern making. It's always been my favorite movie, but I've just recently been really inspired to make stuff. So, and it's all really been coming from Coraline. So I made this Coraline inspired scarf, and it's made with tapestry crochet, and including the grid, you also get a written row by row instructions along with your digital downloads. So that one's for you. That's why it's paid, because I include the written instruction for my beginners who need it. So I also have this bat for you, very cute. And then we have a face line art grid, and then a simple star if you're really just looking for like a simple shape. We've got plant a tree, save the forest, very cute, very detailed. I wanted ones with a lot of color changes and then ones with minimal color changes depending on your skill level and how comfortable you are with tapestry crocheting. I have this neon open sign, super cute, and then this catwalk sign. And then we have a frog clown. I thought this one was so unique. And then this baby boy teddy bear one just reminds me of the other teddy bear one I showed you, but it's a little less elaborate and it's smaller in stitch count. So 1 square equals 1 stitch when you're looking at grids. If you have never done a grid thing before, 1 square equals 1 stitch. So if it's like 100 by 100, that's 100 stitches by 100 rows. So this one is I Love You, It's Ruining My Life. Oh my gosh, what is that? A typewriter? Typewriter grid. And then we have this. I think these flowers are lilies, but I could be wrong. But I want to say they're lilies, but I actually have no idea. This is a Starry Night grid. We have a Monstera leaf grid, super pretty, and we even have a shark like cartoon style grid. And then we have koi fish. This one is way more detailed with hundreds of colors. Okay, maybe hundreds is an exaggeration, but definitely more than like 4 color changes, but a lot of different shades to get all that shading. So that one's more for like you want a advanced tapestry project. Then we have some wavy hearts and this wavy checker. Now both of these you can use whatever colors you want, but I wanted to include both the wavy hearts and the wavy checkers, even if you don't like the color scheme, because you can change that. This one is a hopeless romantic tapestry. Love this. I wish I had this around Valentine's Day this year. I probably would have made it for that. I probably will make it for next year. It's on my list. And then we have a more simple, smaller penguin tapestry. And then we have this moon with clouds tapestry. And then a strawberry bear. Super cute. Again, a smaller scale tapestry project and simpler too. And then this is another simple one, black and white cats with little heart-shaped butts, super cute. And then this one is a beetle. It's got more colors for shading, but again, still simple and small. And then we have a little Cupid angel bear. And then this is a pig. It reminds me of Mabel's pig from Gravity Falls, but super cute nonetheless. And then we have an orca. We have a weird ocean theme like underlying this entire video. I think I just really like art associated with the ocean. But this one is the Star Tarot card with a cat. Super cute, super detailed. I've seen people do this one on TikTok actually. I've seen it like come to fruition in actual crochet, so I've seen it worked out and it looks really good. And then this one is a fairy cat, super cute, super simple. You can change the background color if you don't want it to match the white cat, completely up to you. Then we have peace sign Hello Kitty. I love the POV of this. It's like a 5x photo, very cute. And then this is Toothless in honor of the live action Toothless movie. I think it's coming out. I don't think it's out yet, but I think it's coming out, so in honor of that. And then we have a raccoon, because you can't have a video without a raccoon pattern. And then this is another beetle, slightly different than the other one. And then we have cherries. Hold on, my cat wants outside. I just kicked my laptop. You know, this week is not my week. All right, I'm back and we're talking about cherries. So we have this cherry grid, super cute, and then a strawberry cow, also really cute. And then we have a moon tarot card, similar to the star. I needed to include the moon if I was going to include that one. We might even have another tarot card in here somewhere, who knows. But we also have this T-Rex, and it's like the little T-Rex you get when your internet goes out and you get to play the little game with your space bar. And then we have Feathers McGraw. This is because I just recently went down a Wallace and Gromit like rabbit hole. I think it was like a month ago. And I watched all the movies for the very first time ever. I saw like a Wallace and Gromit like fan art somewhere, and I instantly fell in love. So I went and watched all the movies. So I had to include a Feathers McGraw grid, and then we also have a Wallace and Gromit grid because you can't include one and not include the other. And then I have a skeleton fairy, very cool. And then this is another Hello Kitty, but it's strawberry Hello Kitty. And then this is a different kind of star than the one I showed you earlier, but still really cool. It's like Y2K, very cool. And then we have a cow. It's little, it's not strawberry themed, it's regular cow. And then we are getting into our kind of like meme grids, like this why did I want to say Wallace and Gromit again? Mike Wazowski meme where he's just kind of standing there mad. So I wanted to include that. And then we have the dancing rats. Okay, you can't do a grid video without dancing rats. And then we have the Megamind meme, which I use this like far too often, but when I came across the grid, I had to include it. And then we have a Yeehaw Claw, okay. And then Valentine Snoopy, even though we are past Valentine's. I've seen people make laptop covers out of this grid specifically, so thought it'd be cute regardless. And then this is a moth, very cute. And then I know if you are a friend of the channel, you have seen this one before in previous videos, and it's made its way into this one. And then we have a very like detailed human skeleton, which this was kind of added because I'm on a Bones kick. I've been watching so much Bones recently, like the show, especially since I've gotten sick. I've just been binging Bones, which I love that show. If you've seen that show, Bones and Booth have possibly like the best slow burn romance I have seen in a show in a long time. And where I'm at, they're not together, but like I know they have to be together soon. Like they have to. I don't remember what season I'm on, but I just got to the part where he went back to Afghanistan for like 7 months and she went on like a research project for 7 months, and they just came back. So that's where I'm at if you're a Bones fan. And if you're a Bones fan, this one's for you. But very cool. And then of course we have to include the Brat Summer, Brat Album, Brat Everything grid. And then I love this crow. This crow was just giving cute. Also, for some of you who've got that goth thing going on in their room, or like Victorian goth, this would look really cute, especially if you use like a cream color as the background. And then this is a Corpse Bride. Very, very, very detailed. But I use this Corpse Bride detailed grid to show you how detailed you can get with these grids and how photorealistic you can get with like characters and people. So keep that in mind if you are willing to work with a lot of different color changes and a lot of stitches, a really big tapestry. You can do something as detailed as this. It doesn't always have to be simple. So I wanted to include that. And then we have I Am Kenough from the Barbie movie. Thought it was funny and silly, very cute, and I just thought it'd be cute. I would probably crochet this and put this in my son's room if I had a son, but this is the last one on our list, which is a basic Hello Kitty, nothing crazy, no weird perspectives or like memes. It's just basic Hello Kitty because I know you guys wanted one, so that is included. And that is all 61, I think we ended up with 61 tapestry grids. So hopefully, whether you're a beginner or an advanced crocheter, you were able to find something along the list of grids, and hopefully I wasn't too boring in this video. I'm just really tired, if I'm being honest. I don't feel great, but we had to get a video out, you know. I can't leave y'all hanging. So I am working on a very big tapestry project right now. It's 100 stitches by 100 rows, so it's gonna be a lot, and I'm so excited for it, and I can't wait to share it with you when it's done. I'm about I'm on like row 60 right now out of 100. So we've got a long way to go, and I probably won't get it done anytime soon, but when I do, you will be seeing it. And if you want to see it, follow me over on Instagram. I'm going to post it there first. So yeah, other than that, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. If you have another 50 idea video I should do, comment it down below. Like this video if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. So love you guys. Bye.